Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to get access to Codecademy for free on your laptop. You don't need to pay to start learning or coding. So let's go step by step and make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it. First, you need to open your browser and go to codecademy.com. As you can see, I've already logged in into the codecademy.com. If you haven't already logged in, you can simply log in with using your Gmail or any other account. Once you are logged in, simply click on the catalog and filter by free courses. Simply click here and you can simply filter here using the free courses option. You will find tons of options like HTML, CSS and JavaScript, Python and more. You can start learning right away. Click on any free course and start the lesson. You can complete exercises directly in your browser and track your progress in your profile. As you can see, these are all the free courses for learning coding. Besides free courses, Codecademy offers free quizzes, projects and community forums which can help you grow in your coding journey. If you want to access to pro content for a limited time, Codecademy sometimes offers free trials. You can use these trials to explore additional projects and quizzes without paying. And that's it. You can now access Codecademy for free and start learning coding right from your laptop. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more and comment which course you will start taking first. Keep learning and stay curious. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.